Hey there, feast enthusiasts! Let's gather around and dive into the heartwarming tale of Thanksgiving Day. A time when tables groan under the weight of delicious dishes, and hearts swell with gratitude. From its humble beginnings to the family-filled feasts we cherish today, let's uncover the delightful history of Thanksgiving. Picture this: the early 17th century, a ship called the Mayflower docks on the shores of what would become the United States. The Pilgrims, seeking religious freedom, faced a challenging first winter. With the help of the Wampanoag Native Americans, they learned to cultivate crops, and in 1621, they celebrated a successful harvest together. The first Thanksgiving was more like a potluck party than a formal dinner. Pilgrims and Wampanoags brought their own dishes to share, a culinary collaboration that laid the foundation for the modern Thanksgiving feast. There might have been venison, fish, corn, and a variety of wild fruits and vegetables. The tradition of giving thanks through feasting took root. Days of Thanksgiving were proclaimed throughout the colonies during times of abundant harvests or significant victories. However, it wasn't until the 19th century that Thanksgiving became an official national holiday. Fast forward to 1863, in the midst of the Civil War. President Abraham Lincoln officially declared Thanksgiving a national holiday, setting the date as the final Thursday in November. Lincoln aimed to unite the nation, urging citizens to be grateful even in challenging times. In the late 19th century, Thanksgiving started to resemble the holiday we know today. Turkey became the centerpiece of the feast, football games became a tradition, and parades began to march through city streets, featuring giant floats and Santa Claus. Today, Thanksgiving is a blend of old and new traditions. Families across the United States come together to share a hearty meal, express gratitude, and create lasting memories. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, televised football games, and the presidential turkey pardon are now iconic parts of the celebration. So, whether you're savoring a slice of pumpkin pie, tossing a football in the backyard, or simply taking a moment to reflect on the blessings in your life, Thanksgiving is a day to come together and give thanks. It's a timeless celebration that reminds us of the power of gratitude and the joy of sharing a feast with those we hold dear. We hope you enjoyed this exploration with Loop and Go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future curious adventures.